This is my summer hit of last year, but I'm gonna do it again. Dus ik ga mijn zomerhit van vorig jaar opnieuw opnemen, omdat ik er een aantal lampen in het gaat over. Wij hadden graag van onze relaties stevig zijn en niet zo gewoon in één keer weggaan. En dat liedje heet Sound stevig. Oké, dat is Sound. Tweede druk of zoiets, weet ik veel. Oké. Oké, goed, sorry. Dit heb ik zelf geschreven, by the way. The day I met you, I saw a sparkle in your eyes, and it didn't get through. It seemed like a feeling in the sky, and I know that was true. I might have done things otherwise. The same might happen out there, but please without the lie. When I see you, my heart keeps up pace. When I push you back to your place, please don't get angry, cause I'm pushed round and round by you, honey. Right in the one way. We all like it sound. When I feel a little confused, I feel a little abused, I feel a little confused. Right now, a lot less amused. I feel a little confused, feel a little confused. I feel a little confused, because I still love you. Then one day I met you, I noticed sparkles in your eyes. No, it didn't get through, just like a feeling in the sky. And then I know that it was you, might have done things otherwise. The same might happen, I was please without your lie. And when I see you, my heart keeps up pace. And when I push you back to your place, please don't get angry, cause I'm pushed round and round by you, honey. Right in the one way. Cause we all like it sound. La 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 la. And I feel a little confused, I feel a little abused, feel a little confused. Right now, a lot less amused. A little confused. I feel a little confused. Feel a little confused. Because our relationships, onze relaties, we hebben graag dat die stevig blijven. En dat die niet zomaar kapot gaan, hè. Because we all like those sounds. We like inside. We like inside. Like inside. But to be honest, yes, I still love you.